yense ya Kenya nige bw'Emeroberi emiya ochiasa ABASAE nebyombe birebire nekirenga yokorosia ebintebya wetera ase Chinchera Chiekerero.
Asomusangerekano hoyo barenta ababwatani kurwa chinsemo herigo chengera Eiki yumanyikainde buna innovation hime ya Gusii yari kire Gusii Innovation Week 2025 abwa somoli kyobotambe hase department ya Science Research and Innovation Abdulrazak aikirana na gwakera na gwikirania gusekoera EMEROBERIO ya serikali yabwate gochia ABASAE buna gotomanya mulikito Wycliffe Orenge.
Naso musangerekano Gusii Innovation Week 2025 uyobalenta mo ababwatani kurwa chingongo cha Gusii riko kwanera Chinchera chingia cyokoba anobongaini wakoroise bintu anenekigima OBOTUMEKI Chinchera Chiekerero musangerekano yokorekana somo kobani yomo imemo chobosongo abwo ase umoliki botambe ase Wizara ya Science Research and Innovation Professor Abdulrazak Saukat amono makwanyi bo mugabana bwe county ya Kisii omoske Elijah Bebo baikarana elioko igora umusangerekano yubene.
We are very pleased to be here in Kisii to witness the Gusii Innovation Week 2025 under the theme of agri-tech, so to speak.
Our mandate revolves around growing and nurturing the national system of innovation that will catalyze creation of jobs, creation of enterprises and wealth that are coming from innovative ideas of the society. And so being here today is part of what we have to do at national level. And that's why we move around the country supporting innovation forums and innovation hubs that are trying to address the local reality.
Kokwana nensoko TV mageka yoko igoro musangerekano yo nigo moliki botambe ase Wizara ya Science Research and Innovation atababona serikali ya Kenya nige bw'Emeroberi emiya yoko bakonya ABASAE irobaro sie binte bya ande bya birabakonya gosukabusyo na uchumi ya Kenya.
And what we are trying to do within the State Department is to ensure that we can be able to take the energy that our youth have in the right direction. And one way is to build capacity and capability and be able to mentor the youth by looking at the ideas, looking at the prototypes that they have been able to develop and assist them towards the commercialization.
Nawego Dr. Mwanza uyore omo CEO o Kenya nigo asingerera igoro yobuya bwoko babeka ABASAE elinde babasire asekeria bagokora.
Serikali nkogenderere kubwatirana go support chi activities yechiga. Ito go support in terms of co-host event yenyene twaru a contribution buna the innovation agency tuabachi besanke bako bangerege ntekega. Aya nande ndobwate chibesa chindi chikogenda go support chi innovations the chikuruga iga. The Presidential Innovation Award igekuru up to 5 million every innovation what the potential yokoba commercially viable.
Ukugania nkoro goko babeka ABASAE elinde basirwe na gwesuguma gochebosyo nonye nekero bogima bokongete.
We find solutions for our local problems and then we build businesses out of those. So the whole Innovation Week was centered around that. We had a whole mapping of problems across the value chain. We brought stakeholders, we mapped those problems, and then we gave them to young innovators. The first 2 days we have been doing a hackathon, an agri-tech AI hackathon, where we have looked at the problems that are in the value chain in agriculture, and the young innovators have created solutions. And so we'll be looking forward to how we post the hackathon, support them to actually implement them and scale them.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii erone bw'Emeroberi ya bene yoko bwaterana n'ababwatani eliko sira ABASAE robagandira go cyane Chinchera chingia ande chinya cyekokore binto ribarurakana go cya asensengima mono asobo bundi bwabo.
I'll say that this event is one of the unique events that have happened in the Kisii in our county government, and we are looking forward as a county government, just as the deputy governor had emphasized, that we need to support young people, the innovation, and provide even solutions. And in fact, from his speech, he also he had spoken about giving young people an opportunity to develop applications that can assist in the delivery of particular government services. And young people are encouraged to come with innovative solutions, and the county government is ready to support.
Bono nigera bebuya ekera ABASAE bonsi barase migo Chinchera chiabene cyokoroise binto anangegema ase Chinchera Chiekerero na bwesuke bosyo inkoripoteria ensoko TV kurwaga igasobo gatakati bo mochobosongo e county ya Kisii iriteriane Wycliffe Orenge.